We are in Älmhult, and this is where we're going to stay in the IKEA Hotel. So, welcome to Sweden, and we'll let you know how our adventure goes here.
Yeah.
We just got off the train and it's snowing.
It's snowing. It's pretty great.
It is pretty great. We really enjoyed the IKEA Hotel, and on our floor they had this common area where you could sit with your family and prepare a meal and sit and eat, or just sit in a living room area or have your kids play or something like that. So I thought that was a really cool thing for the hotel to have. I chose sparkling. The restaurant across the parking lot had some of the best food that we had on our entire trip. We had the tasting menu, which came with a smattering of these foods that you're seeing, plus the hot dog, because of course we needed to get a hot dog that had beets on it. The restaurant was also really, really great about food allergies. There's like a sweet taste to it that's really nice. A sleepyhead. Hey everyone, so we're just about to wrap up on the IKEA portion of our trip, where we're in the town where IKEA started, and I'm going to get us some train tickets right now, so wish me luck, because when we asked at the front desk about a timetable, they said, oh, to go to Stockholm you have to have those in advance. So I'm heading to the train station and seeing what I can do. But when I looked online, there were a lot of options, so I think it'll be okay. And Monica stayed back to take a little nap, so I'll let you know how it goes. Okay, friends, so no luck at the train station. There's nobody there, so you can't go up to a desk and ask them to help you get a ticket. There was just a machine, and Stockholm was not an option. So I did find some stuff online, so I think I'm just gonna have to purchase a ticket online. But I am gonna head back to the hotel and see if the person at the front desk can help just as much to be like, yes, this seems legit, or no, don't do that, or this website is crap. But this train booking website that I found is one that I've seen when I've been trying to book flights, trains in Spain and other places. So I think it's okay. They probably like charge a markup, but we just want to get to Stockholm today, so we'll just do what we have to do. I feel like we always get ourselves into precarious transportation debacles. Like in Spain 2 years ago, we took a taxi to a beach, and we were assured that other taxis would be coming by, and when we needed to leave, there was nothing. So I had to call the original taxi company and have them send a car, and they seemed perplexed, even though before we went, we checked with them on whether that would be possible. And the same week, we ended up in Gibraltar with like incorrect bus tickets and needed to book a last minute way back in order to be in the correct town on time for my sister's wedding events. So I don't know, I guess this is just what we do, but we'll figure it out. And either way, we'll be on some train today because the hotel has no openings tonight, even if we wanted to stay another night. The hotel had this really lovely fika set up, but we didn't know if it was for us or if it was for people who were there for a conference, so we didn't touch it. And they also had a sauna, which we never got to experience, but I did go down the hall in search of where it was located. All right, we are waiting for our train in Älmhult to go to Alvesta, which is the next town up to the north. I told you a little bit about my adventure trying to get tickets. So I basically went back and got Monica. We packed up the room and left. We filled up our water bottles, which was very exciting for us. Yeah. And we filled up a bottle with sparkling as well, which was even more exciting. And we came and got just a little ticket from the ticket kiosk to the next town up. And then once we get there, it looks like there are trains to Stockholm like every hour. So we'll get a ticket to Stockholm once we're there. And I think it'll be a-okay. Yeah. So I don't know what time we'll get to Stockholm. Maybe not until like 5 o'clock or something like that. But it really doesn't matter. We can just get into our Airbnb whenever and then just wander around for a little bit or decide we're just going to stay in for the night and relax. And then we've got a couple of days of adventuring in Stockholm once we're there. By the way, this is what the train station looked like in Alvesta. And so we just went into that Pressbyrån and bought our ticket at the counter at the same place that we bought a hot dog. And we got to Stockholm just fine. So that pretty much wraps it up for the IKEA portion of our trip. This town is cute. We didn't get a chance to explore the town, but it looks very cute in the opposite direction of where the IKEA Hotel is. But since we had so little time, we really just got here yesterday, went to the museum, got something to eat, went to sleep. Today we woke up and got breakfast and got our tickets and came to the train station. So it's good for a quick stopover. If you have more time, I don't know what else there is to do in this town, but it is a cute looking town. So we hope you enjoyed our IKEA adventure. See you next time.